everyone, welcome back to my channel Stylefit. Hope you are doing well. I am Janani and I create videos related to self-care, makeup and fashion. So today I'm going to share some of the best underrated makeup products that I've ever tried. These are so good, but I'm not sure why these products did not go viral, and yeah, I'm going to share about those with you all. So let's get into the video without any further delay. The first underrated product is Color Chemistry concealers. These beautiful little concealers are just so good, you guys. It is extremely pigmented, it is super creamy, blends like a dream, it gives it perfect full coverage, and it is so good. And this is in the shade Almond, so this is how it looks like. I'll just blend it just with my fingers. As you can see, it just blends in seconds, blends like a dream, gives a perfect coverage. Can you see? It is just so good, right? It's just exact match of my shade. I absolutely love it, and I really like it even to use it in my everyday makeup look. I have my highlighting shade, my exact match shade, and also my contour shade. This gives a perfect base makeup to my look, and I really love it. I would give this a 10 on 10. I'm sure you should definitely give these a try. The second underrated product is BindtBeauty Soft Focus Setting Powder. So this in the shade Banana. It comes in this beautiful translucent packaging with a white cap and a sponge in it. So these are travel friendly as well, and this comes in this huge tub which is 25 grams. And for the quantity and for the performance, I would definitely pay the amount that the MRP is, and it is around 800 to 900. But if you don't believe, I did not use any primer today. It's just my foundation and this setting powder, that's it, nothing else is there. As you can see, it provides a beautiful matte yet fresh, bright and blurred finish, which I really love. My base looks so good whenever I use this setting powder, and from the first use this has become my go-to setting powder. I've just not turned out to anything else other than this. That would say how much I love it, right? So this is just so good. It is super underrated. Overall, the brand is completely underrated. I'm sure if you use it, you would absolutely love it, and this would get a complete 10 on 10. Even more than that, I could even give it a 20 on 10 for sure. So the third product is an eyeshadow, and it is from Swiss Beauty. It's called Chrome and Matte Twin Eyeshadow. I have the shade Garden Blooms. So this is like a stick eyeshadow. One side it has matte shade and other side it has the shimmer shade. So this shade is called Garden Blooms, and this has beautiful dark green matte shade. I will just show you here. Just one swipe pigmentation. Can you see that? Oh my god, it looks so lovely, right? And the other side it has this metallic shimmer shade, and this is how it looks like. Can you see that beautiful shimmery metallic glow that it provides? It has some playtime, so once it is set, it is just completely set. You can even blend it with fingers, create a beautiful look within seconds, just like that. I don't know why no one is speaking about this one much, but this is so good. Even it was in my drawer for a very long time, but once I used it, I really love it. I'm even thinking of picking a pink shade because I'm a pinky girl, so I love pinks, and I would definitely love to give this a try in pink or any neutral brown shades. These are affordable as well, and it is so good. This again, I would give this a 9.5 on 10. So the fourth product in today's video is a lip balm which is from Simply Numb. It's called their Sweet Kisses lip balm. I have the shade Brownie. So first of all, I definitely should say about their packaging. I really love their metallic rose gold packaging. It is super cute, travel friendly and sleek as well. So the shade Brownie, this is how it looks like. So it's a beautiful sheet tinted lip balm. It is a lovely subtle brown shade, I would say. It looks so good, right? You can even use it as it is like a lip balm. Also, you can just top it up after the lip liner. You'll have that juicy, glossy, fuller looking lip look. So this is just super lightweight. It's super nourishing and hydrating as well, and I really like that it is not at all sticky. I absolutely love this particular lip balm because I have many tinted lip balms, but then I would just go after this every time I open the drawer. So that's why I absolutely love it. It is so good, and this would get a full 10 on 10. The fifth product is a liquid lipstick. If you are looking for a perfect lipstick which is long lasting, good, comfortable and have a wide shade range for every skin tone, then this is the one for you. And I'm speaking about Parul Garg Silk Matte Liquid Lipstick. So the packaging looks super cute, classic yet good, right, with a golden cap. And I have the shade Orchid. I do have all the shades, most of the shades. This shade was in my cupboard just right beside me, so I thought of just showing you this shade. This is such a beautiful, perfect pink shade for any skin tone. It has a very subtle nude shades to like bold maroon brown shades. So they have many variety of shades. It is lightweight, it is comfortable, it has one swipe pigmentation, so good. It's long lasting as well. What more do we need in a liquid lipstick, right? Usually liquid lipstick are quite drying, but it is not at all drying. It feels super comfortable on the lips. So I will just show you a swatch of the shade. So this is how the shade Orchid looks like. It's such a beautiful pink shade that suits every skin tone, and I really like these lipsticks a lot. I usually use this in many of my YouTube videos, if you could observe it. Yeah, these are so good. This would again get a full 10 on 10. The last and the sixth underrated product that I'm going to speak in today's video is My Hue's Lip Elixirs. I absolutely love these lip elixirs, and that's what I'm wearing right now. So basically these are a hybrid of both lip oils and lip gloss. These are so good. They're extremely pigmented. It has a beautiful glossy juicy lips kind of effect, and also it is so nourishing. I actually don't ever use lip balm whenever I wear this. I just wear this and I'll be good to go for an everyday office or a casual looks. They have like 6 to 7 shades that I really like, from ranging from these everyday neutrals to bold maroon shade. So these are so good, super underrated. They're lightweight, not at all sticky, and the nourishing property is just long lasting, I would say. Yeah, these are so good, and this would get a full 20 on 10, I would say. Yeah, I am wearing the shade Mira today, and this is one of my most everyday perfect shade. That's it guys, I hope you found this video helpful. If you do so, don't forget to smash the thumbs up button, comment down below what more videos do you want me to do next, and share this video with your friends and family. You can also check out my Instagram page Stylefitwithjanu for more such self-care, makeup and fashion content. Also, if you like to watch such long form review videos, makeup tutorials, fashion hauls and much more, you can definitely subscribe to my channel by clicking that red button and the bell icon, so that you'll be notified when I upload new videos. I'll also leave all the product details along with the links in the description box below, so you can definitely check them out. And that's it for today's video guys. Until next time, bye bye.